keto pick. Steamed yogurt chicken and cumin rice with spicy tomato salad recipe. If this is healthy eating, bring it on. Those eating with you won't even realize there is a health kick happening, as this is so satisfying. There will easily be second helpings and you will make it again and again. Ingredients. For the chicken and rice: 300 grams free-range skinless chicken mini fillets, cut in half lengthways. 5 tablespoons unsweetened natural yogurt, about 4% fat. 2 tablespoons extra hot Indian curry paste. 1/2 small red onion, finely chopped. 1/2 teaspoon whole cumin seeds. 100 grams white pure basmati rice. For the salad: 150 grams fine ripened tomatoes, cut into quarters if small or eighths if large. Small handful fresh coriander, tender stalks and leaves chopped. 1 spring onion, outer leaves and top removed, green and white parts finely chopped. 1 small red bird's eye chili, seeds removed, finely chopped. Pinch of flake sea salt, such as Malden. To finish: 2 tablespoons unsweetened natural yogurt, about 4% fat, optional. Steps. Step 1. Mix the chicken with the yogurt and curry paste. Set aside. Step 2. In a wide shallow non-stick frying pan, add the onion, cumin, rice, and 280 ml water. Mix once, set over a high heat and boil rapidly uncovered until the water disappears and it begins to crackle. Turn the heat to the lowest setting. Step 3. Spread the chicken and yogurt mixture over the surface of the rice in one layer, covering with a large pan lid so the steam cannot escape. Continue to cook on the lowest heat for 12 minutes, or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Step 4. Meanwhile, combine the tomatoes, coriander, spring onion, chili, and salt in a medium bowl to make the salad. Step 5. Serve the rice and yogurt chicken on warm plates with the tomato salad and an extra dollop of yogurt. Preparation time: 20 minutes. Cook time: 40 minutes. Servings: 2. Enjoy.